Hi, I'm Jene Louis, health coach and nutrition advisor and author of 7 Weight Loss Detox. I absolutely love Book Profits Club Mastermind Group. On a weekly basis, Taria is an open book and she gives us all of the resources that we need to be profitable authors and even more profitable business owners. She teaches us how to grow our businesses. She gives us all of the resources, all of the tips, all of the advice, all of the newest softwares, all of the latest technologies that can make your business grow. She gives it to you. And she has a team, a wonderful staff that keeps you accountable. Sometimes the staff is reaching out to me, even when I'm not reaching out to them, to keep me on track with the tasks that I should be completing. This system and this club is literally a no-fail system. When you join Book Profits Club Mastermind Group, there is no way that you will fail as a business owner and as an author because you get so much to become successful.